In this section, we cover the tutorial for survey that is available from the setting option in operator sidebar. Sometimes you might need to get customers' opinion about a product or getting their insight about your company and services. You can show surveys in client website, and you can manage these surveys and create new ones in your panel. Operators can manage these surveys from setting of the application. So just click on settings on operator sidebar and then click on the survey from the options, and you will be redirected to the list of surveys. You can view all surveys in the system, even if they are expired, and search over them by clicking on the search field and entering the keyword. The search will be performed automatically. Or you can click on the search button on the field. So for example, let's search for the test survey. As you see, the only survey that is shown is the one that has the test keyword in its title. On the list, you can view the title of the survey and the start date and end date period that user can view them in the client website. Expiry date for a survey that is expired already will be shown in red. Also, a survey can has no expiry date. As you can see, the survey number 1 has no expiry date. Adding a new survey is simple. Just click on the add a new survey button on the top right of the screen, and in the open dialog enter the title of the survey. For example, let's enter tutorial. Then you need to add the iframe link for the survey. Iframe is a link to an actual web page like Google Forms, which you can get from the page, like from YouTube or from Google Forms, and it starts with iframe. You can just paste the iframe in this field. Then you need to select a start date and the end date for a survey. By default, surveys do not have any expiry date, and their start date will be current date, but you can change the start date. Let's say we want this survey to start from 20th and without any end date. Then you can just click on the add button, and the survey will be added to the list of the surveys and visible to users on client website in the specified date. You can preview a survey to see how users view the survey in the client website. For this purpose, on a survey, click on preview button, and you will be redirected to the preview screen, which shows the survey as user will view it. Also, you can edit a survey if you want by clicking on the edit button and changing the survey information. For example, we can add an end date to it. Finally, for removing a survey from the list, just click on the delete button. And after confirming the action, the survey will be removed from the list. And this is how you can manage the surveys in the system.